Welcome to our next video on English expressions. First of all, we are very glad with so many responses. Kaboons are becoming a standard for learning English expressions, and of course, we're glad with this development. Okay, let's get started. You will see several images with the kaboons indicating an expression in each. You'll then have a couple of seconds to guess the expression. After that, the answer will appear and I will discuss the meaning of the expression and also give some examples. Please remember that psychology tells you that there is no better way to learn expressions than by linking these expressions to typical pictures. Let's get started. Here is our first image. The expression is great haste makes great waste. It means that if you do things quickly, you will make mistakes. Let's have a look at a couple of examples. First example, I always tell my employees not to rush their work. After all, great haste makes great waste. And our second example, great haste makes great waste. So please read the instructions carefully. Did you guess it? The expression is making a molehill out of a mountain. It means making a small problem look like a bigger one than it actually is. Here is the first example. You're making a molehill out of a mountain. Failing one test does not mean you have to resit the entire year. And the second example. She only forgot to lock one window when they left and he panicked. He was really making a molehill out of a mountain. Are you ready for our last image? This image shows the expression, do not wash your dirty linen in public. This means that you should not discuss private and perhaps even embarrassing problems in public. Let's look at some examples. Look, we may have our issues, but I'm angry that you've decided to wash our dirty linen in public. And here's our second example. Whenever we get together with friends, Mark talks about all of his personal problems. I hope next time he won't wash his dirty linen in public again. That's the end of this series, and we'll always end with a few important remarks. First, don't forget to subscribe to our English Expressions series. Second, please leave comments. Maybe you have other good examples, or perhaps you know the equivalent expressions in, for instance, French or Spanish or maybe Chinese. And we love to hear how you teach expressions. All comments are welcome. And please inform your colleagues about this new series with Kaboons and use the link below to see what our shop offers. And finally, here's a new picture and we will tell you what this expression means next time. Oh, forgot to say, do have a look at our web shop, kaboons.com. with the famous Kaboons t-shirts. If you are a real Kaboon fan, you'd certainly like such a t-shirt. Love you! See you next time.